Hi everybody, my name is Dan, and this is Mancake. If this is your first time, show some support and click the subscribe button and that little bell so you get notified of all future videos down the road. And if you enjoyed today's video, stretch out that click finger and hit the like button. Now today, we're doing a simple donut recipe. Now today's special ingredient is breast milk, and I'll go ahead and give a pause and let all the question marks fizzle away. All good? Excellent. Now me, with common sense that's a little bit rustic, thought I can just go to Amazon and buy some breast milk, like anyone would buy a family-sized pack of Capri Sun. I don't know, but apparently you can. Now, I'm sure we were all breastfed when we were babies. For me, that's not a question I plan on asking mommy dears anytime soon. Thankfully, I didn't have to go to the black market to get this breast milk. And I had a friend who was actually willing to donate a cup of her breast milk for these donuts.
Won't somebody please think of the children?
So, to start, go ahead and preheat your oven to 425 degrees. We're going to take 1 stick of butter at room temperature and place it into our mixing bowl. Along with a half a cup of sugar. And a 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Then we're just going to go ahead and mix all three together until they're light and fluffy. Then we're going to add in 2 eggs and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now we're going to take 2½ cups of flour, add in 1½ teaspoons of baking powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, one-eighth teaspoon of nutmeg, and 3/4 teaspoon of salt. Then we're going to take 1 cup of our breast milk, which looks like it has a blue tint to it. I guess that's a thing. And add this into our measuring cup. Now, we're just going to go ahead and add some flour and pour in some of Mother Nature's milk. Add in the rest of the flour and finish off with the milk. And we'll toss in a couple of drops of that pink food gel coloring and let everything mix and combine. Now, I like to use a piping bag here just because it saves on the mess. So I'm going to go ahead and fill a piping bag with our donut batter. Then we just go ahead and pipe in our batter for all our donut pans. And finally, we bake for about 15 minutes. Now for the icing. Take a separate bowl. To start, add in 2 cups of powdered sugar, and a couple splashes of milk. And just mix it all together. Now, depending on how thick you would like your icing, you can either go ahead and add more milk to make it light and thinner, or more sugar to make it thick and heavier. Then we're going to go ahead and add a little more pink. And mix it all up. Now that our donuts have cooled, we can start glazing and decorating. Now this can be messy, so I like to use tongs. You just grab a donut, give a dip, a little shake, and toss it on a wire rack. And then just repeat for all your donuts. Look at that ooze action. Perfect. Now, depending where you're from, we're gonna go ahead and take either Jimmy's or sprinkles. I'm on the fence, so I don't know. But we're gonna go ahead and just call them sprinkles, because that's what I grew up on. We'll just give a couple sprinkles of the sprinkles. Okay, maybe it is Jimmy's. And then just pop them into your serving bowl. And there we have it. Glazed, baked, pink cake donuts with breast milk. On your way out, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you liked today's video, go ahead and click the thumbs up. Thanks for stopping over. And until next week, bye!